Hey, what's up guys? Jack and Matt here with Toasty DIY, and today we got a new thing that we're trying out. So we're actually heading to a Hilton Garden to actually do some server room cleanup and cable management. Are we ready?
I don't know. It's a very small closet and there's just a lot of cables everywhere. There's server racks that are not organized or kind of just on the floor. It was very much a plug and play, get it up and going type of job. So what we got tasked to do is go in, clean it up, try to get some organization going with the server racks and things like that. And hopefully we won't destroy anything. I don't think we will, but you never know.
Let's do it. I'm just gonna record you cleaning up, okay? And I'm not gonna do anything.
There's some stuff to do. We gotta clean here.
All right, so here's our before.
In anything? I mean,
Check it out.
it's beautiful.
Just perfect. Thumbs up of approval. Alright guys, so just to wrap up this little video here, we're being extra courteous. We're actually bringing all of the trash, any of the old stuff that they just didn't need in here with us, and we're going to e-cycle it for them because hospitality.
That's what we do.